This one goes out to anyone who's on coronavirus lockdown with their immediate family. This is the family lockdown boogie. We're stuck here in the house for the next 4 weeks or so, and we won't be going out because the government said no. Just my mother and my father and my sister and me and little Maisie too. So for the family sanity, can't you see what we must do?
Baby, come give me something, oh. 'Cause I can't stop loving, since I got a taste of your love. Baby, come give me something.
I believe the children are our future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of I'ma break it off, let me be your motivation to stay and give it tonight. Baby, turn around, let me give you innovation. Yeah, 'cause I do it so right. Think about it, ooh, think about it, think about it.
Våre hasjes, ons misgele, we het goed goed, we willen het veilig. En onthou, selfs al voel dit of die boot sink, daar is altyd hoop.